Children, now we discuss about trigonometry 8.1 ninth question. Okay, what is ninth question? In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A value is 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. First, given tan A equal to 1 by root 3. As usual, right angle triangle. A, here this is A, this is right angle at B now, right angle at B. Tan A means what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side 1 now, adjacent side by root 3. Now, we want to know AC. We know that from Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? AB square value, root 3 square plus BC square, 1 square. AC square equal to root 3 square, 3 plus 1 that equal to 4 that equal to 2 square. Therefore, AC equal to 2. AC value 2. This value we got, hypotenuse we got 2. Now here sin A cos C, cos A sin A is there, cos A is there, sin C is there, cos A is there. Therefore, first sin A. Sin A equal to what? A opposite side by hypotenuse 1 by 2. Cos A adjacent side by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Next sin C cos C. Sin C means C opposite side. C opposite side is root 3. C side opposite to C. Sin C. C means side opposite to C. Opposite C is root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. Comma cos C equal to C adjacent side is 1. C adjacent side is 1. 1 by 2. The first one, what is that? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C equal to sin A value 1 by 2 into cos C value 1 by 2 plus cos A value root 3 by 2 plus sin C value into root 3 by 2. What we get? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 root 9 or root 3 square root cancel will get 3. 3 by 2 2s are 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to 4 by 4 that equal to 1. Therefore, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C value 1. We got the first value. Now come to second one. What is that? Second one is what? Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is equals to cos A value root 3 by 2 into cos C value 1 by 2 minus sin A value 1 by 2 into sin C value root 3 by 2. Both are same. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Answer is 0. Therefore, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C equals to 0. Yeah, this is completed. Now come to 10th question. What is 10th question? See. What is 10th question? In triangle PQR. What is that? Right angle at Q means angle Q equal to 90 and given instructions PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeters and PQ equal to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Determine the value of sin P. You have to find sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, first of all, solution. First of all, what is that given? PR plus QR equals to 25 given. Okay, we know Pythagoras theorem. We see here, this is right angle triangle, right angle at Q. This is P, this is R. Now see, just I reduce the side of the triangle. This is R, this is P. Now R you take P here, R here. Why? Because no problem. Here we take P, here we take P. Wherever you get take P, we will get the same answer. And PQ value is 5 centimeters. This value is 5 centimeters. And now come to the point. Now we know that from Pythagoras theorem, what we know? This is you keep 1. From Pythagoras theorem, P is ET. What is that? PQ square plus PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. We have PQ square. PQ square is 5 square. Okay. Plus QR square, send that side. PR square minus QR square. 5 square value we know 25. PR minus QR can be written as P. It is in the form of A square minus B square. A square minus B square formula, A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, PR plus QR into PR minus QR. Okay. From equation 1, PR plus QR value how much? 25. 25 equal to 25 into PR minus QR. Since from equation 1. That is the reason. Therefore, into 25 come to this side. 25 by 25 equal to PR minus QR. Now, write in order. PR minus QR equal to 25 by 25 means 1. This is equation 2. Equation 1 is PR plus QR equal to 25. Equation 2 is PR minus QR equal to 1. Now, adding equation 1 and equation 2. By adding what we get? PR plus QR equal to 25. 25 only? Okay. PR minus QR equal to 1. While adding, QR gets cancelled. PR plus PR, 2PR equal to 26. PR value 26 by 2, that equal to 13. Now, substitute PR value in equation 1. You substitute PR value in equation 1. What is PR value? 13 plus QR equal to 25. QR equals to 25 minus 13, that equals to 12. Therefore, this is a right angle triangle. Same items I am writing. P, Q, R. PR value 13 and the PQ value, this value is 5, this value is 12. Now, sin P. What is asked for sin P? Sin P equal to side opposite to P by hypotenuse. Side opposite to P is 12 by hypotenuse is 13. Okay. Now, cos P. Cos P equal to side adjacent to P is 5. Hypotenuse is by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 13. Now come to the tan P. Tan P equal to side opposite to P by side adjacent to P. That equals to 12 by 5. All the values are completed. Come to the 11th question. 11th question. What is 11th question? I just read the 11th question and see, state whether following are true or false. Justify your answer. What is the first question? The value of tan A is always less than 1. See, observe here, tan value is, suppose, depends on opposite value is more than the denominator. Here this should be an improper fraction. Maybe or may not be. Therefore, always less than 1 given. That is false. Tan A value is maybe or might be less than 1 or may not be less than 1. Therefore, 11th, first one is false. Reason is tan A value is might be less than 1, maybe or may not be less than 1. Sometimes less than 1, sometimes greater than 1, sometimes equals to 1. Okay, now come to the second one. Secant A equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Yeah, secant A formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Therefore, always hypotenuse is the greatest side in a right angle triangle. Therefore, your secant A value is 12 by 5 given. 12 is more. Therefore, numerator is more. Therefore, hypotenuse is greater. Therefore, it is true. The reason is the secant A is always greater than or equals to 1. Since the secant A formula is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is always greater side in a right angle triangle. Come to the third one. The third one, cos A is the abbreviation of used for the cosecant of angle A. Cos A means cosine A. Cosine angle of A, which is not the abbreviation of cosecant A. COSEC means cosecant. Cos is not the abbreviation of cosecant A. Cos A is the abbreviation is cosine A is the reason. Cos A is not the cosecant A. Cos A means cosine A. That is the reason. Fourth one. See, cot A is the product of cot and A. No, it is cot A means cotangent of A. Cot A is not the product of cot and A. Cot A indicates which is a ratio. The side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A. Therefore, cot A is not the product of cot and A. That is also false. Cot A means cotangent of angle A. Next, sin theta is 4 by 3. Sin theta, what is the formula of sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Denominator should be greater than, should be more. Why? Because hypotenuse is the greatest side. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the greatest side. Therefore, denominator should be more. Therefore, sin theta is 4 by 3 is never happens. Therefore, it is also false since denominator is an hypotenuse is never less than the numerator. Therefore, sin theta 4 by 3 is false. Thank you. So today first exercise is completed. Tomorrow class will discuss about angles, how the angles are formed, how sin 30, why sin 30 is 1 by 2, why cos 30 is root 3 by 2, why sin 45 is 1 by root 2. These all things we'll discuss tomorrow. Don't miss the class tomorrow. Thank you and keep learning.